So guys, Brandon here. Today we're working on this new Maverick project, 2023 Maverick, Ford Maverick. We're gonna do some bed accessories for you. We're gonna do a bed cover. We're gonna do a bed rug. We're gonna tap into here. We're going to add a power lock so you're not having to use your key all the time. And we're gonna stop the drop. We're gonna add a shock to it. Show you what we got in here. So we've got an undercover Ultra Flex bed cover, trifold bed cover. Got all the parts, the clamps, weather stripping, all that. We also have a bed rug. So on the bed rug, this covers the whole inside of the bed. We have the Velcro strips, hold that in, turns the whole bed into carpet. The bed rails for the bed cover. All right, so one of the things we're gonna add, this is a factory Ford part. We're gonna add the electric tailgate lock. So then when you hit the remote to lock your doors, this locks. Now you don't have to pull the key out. That actually comes with wiring harness. We have to drop the spare tire, unplug a harness. This plugs in. So then you go from your basic lock with a key lock to now you have a power lock so you can securely lock your tailgate. So once your bed cover's closed, everything's locked, it's secure. We're also adding the shock for the rear. We have the bracket and everything to use the dampener for that. So we also picked up another Ford part, factory Ford part. We have a little cubby here, lets you store your straps and stuff. And what we're doing here is we're actually taking out one of these side panels. This drops in there, gives you tons of storage. Don't eat up space flopping around your bed. Follow along as we put this together. All right guys, we got the undercover Ultra Flex bed cover on. So as you can see, seals completely up at the bed. Drop the tailgate. So we have a tri-fold, 1, 2. Has the option here. You can also connect it. If you're only hauling something here and you need this closed, you can connect both sides. This keeps from coming up when the wind blows. Or you also have the option of prop rod on both sides. If you're hauling something big, keeps it from coming down. Make sure you put both sides on. There's step one of this process. Covered. All right, next step we have, you have a slow release, no longer slams down. This little $20-ish part should be on all tailgates. Bracket here, reinstall the cable, click the shock on, goes up the same, literally keeps it from slamming. Yeah, it's not really all that important on a truck like this, but that's the last thing you want to do is it slip out of your hand and bounce and make racket. So, simple, easy install. All right, next thing we did, took out the factory mechanical where you had to use your key to unlock and lock your tailgate. Took that out, replaced it with a new electronic one. Took the wire that was for the camera, added it, or took it out. It unplugs under the back, put a whole new factory wire in. So now, tailgate's open, lock. Now you have a lock-in tailgate. You don't have to manually lock it. All your valuables stay safe. All right, guys, so we got the under-budget Maverick bed stuff wrapped up. Like I said before, we had the undercover Ultra Flex. We added the electric tailgate lock to it. We added the shock. Now we also added the bed rug. So now we have bed rugs, full bed rug out of it. Let me fold this up, latch this up out of the way. So now we have full carpet. So for my use, for example, I'm gonna be hauling camera gear, luggage stuff. I'm not hauling gravel, I'm not hauling mulch. So for me, this becomes a trunk. All right, so we also added this over here. Factory on the XL base models, it comes with a plastic cover panel. So I bought a Ford cubby hole. So now you have the cubby hole deep, 2 levels if you need it. Closes up, you can put your straps or whatever. Now we do have the other one over here. Didn't put a cubby on that side, we just did the one. But now that we have the bed done, it locks when you lock it with your key. It's pretty much water resistant. You still may get some water in it, you wash it, storms pretty bad or whatever, but for the most part, it stays dry, keeps everything done. Step one, project under budget MAV done. So keep following along.